Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to install PayPal payment with card support in Woocommerce. On our WordPress website, this setup lets customers pay using PayPal or directly with a credit or debit card. Setting up PayPal with card payments in Woocommerce gives customers flexible and secure ways to pay. Some customers like using their PayPal balance, while others want to pay with a credit or debit card without making a PayPal account. By turning on both options, we help reduce cart abandonment and boost conversion rates. Let's go through the steps together. First, open your browser. Once in your browser, go to woocommerce.com and log into your account. After logging in, click My Stores under My Account. When you see your store, click your store or the QA View store. You will then be redirected to the dashboard of your WordPress site. To set up PayPal payment on Woocommerce, click, and then go to Settings. After opening Settings, click the Payments option. If you already have the Payment section, click More Payment Options. Here, we can see all the available PayPal options. Click this PayPal option. You can add it to your store or download it. Once the download is complete, install it to your Woocommerce. Please note, only premium users can do this, so we cannot perform the next actions here. But once it is installed and activated, it will appear in your payment methods. Accept payments with PayPal will show up, and you can select PayPal here to complete the setup. After you finish, customers can pay using PayPal or card. And that's how we install PayPal payment with card support on Woocommerce, offering multiple payment options. This helps build trust and improve your checkout experience.